What if the universe has a hidden symphony waiting to be heard? In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time. Einstein predicted these cosmic ripples over 100 years before their actual detection. LIGO observatory transformed these invisible waves into actual sound frequencies. Black holes colliding create sound waves traveling across millions of light years. Sonification allows us to hear cosmic events previously impossible to perceive. These sounds reveal the universe's hidden musical language of gravitational interactions. We are listening to the universe's symphony for the very first time.